Hello everyone, let's take a look at new and better reporting. First up, the sales performance dashboard. Now you can select any data range from your entire data history, whether it's 2 days, a month, or a year. Plus you can customize how data is grouped, daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on the period you choose. And see that last updated timestamp? It lets you know how fresh your data is. You can even refresh it manually if needed. Speaking of graphs, did you know you can toggle specific data points on or off by using the legend? It's super intuitive and helps you focus on what matters most. The audience growth dashboard has a sleek, consistent look, but no new features just yet. So let's move on to the exciting stuff. In the automations page, you'll now find custom period selection for viewing stats. This feature lets you dive deep into performance for any time frame you choose. Now for the star of the show, the Reports tab. We've reconstructed everything into intuitive themes like sales, campaigns, automation, forms, and deliverability. In the new Sales tab, you'll find free powerful revenue reports available to all customers. Yes, even on a free plan. Store performance overview. Compare Omnisend attributed revenue versus non-Omnisend revenue and track trends. Marketing activity performance. See revenue from campaigns and workflows, broken down by channel. Channel performance. A single view showing how each channel, email, SMS, or push is driving revenue. Want to focus on one channel? Just deselect the others for a clearer view. The Campaigns tab now combines data from all channels. Email, SMS, and push in one place. You can analyze metrics like revenue per message sent, placed order rate, a brand new metric, deliverability stats like unsubscribe rate. And if you're a pro at comparing campaigns, the revamped campaign performance table lets you sort by revenue, click rate, or even failed delivery rate to see what's working best. The Automations tab mirrors the Campaigns tab with added support for SMS costs and a unified layout for all workflows. On top of that, you can select specific workflows for which you'd like to see aggregated data. And in deliverability, we've combined campaigns and workflows data into a single view. You can now filter by activity type and drill down into metrics for each email domain, like Gmail or iCloud. We've also reconstructed individual reports for campaigns, workflows, and A/B tests. New metrics like placed order rate and revenue per message give you deeper insights. One highlight, link activity now has its own dedicated tab, featuring a click map for better visual insights. Plus for A/B tests, results are separated for easy comparison between versions. Finally, let's talk about improved sales attribution settings. You can now configure attribution windows individually for each channel. Email, SMS, and push. For example, SMS attribution can now be measured in hours, while email can still use days. In touchpoints, you choose if orders are attributed by opens, clicks, or both, giving you a full control over your tracking. And that's a wrap on Omnisend's new reporting system. Make sure to join the beta program, and we can't wait for you to try it.